Hey, what's up everyone? It's Supercell EAS, along with
the M12
and Phoenix EAS.
and this is the Eton ESP2100 new in box. Let me show it to everyone. Right here.
There it is.
And today we are going to be unboxing it. I got this new in box on eBay. Some people say it's a pretty rare radio. And now we're going to unbox it. So, inside we have the instruction guide manual, the limited warranty paper thing, the back belt thing, and the actual radio itself. Wow, this is actually a pretty large handheld. Look at this. It's actually pretty big. We're going to be right back. I'm going to get myself some scissors. It should be somewhere. But anyways. Oh, I could just do this. Just look at the radio out. Here it is. This, my friends, is the weather radio that's outside of its packaging. That's what it looks like right here. To ensure good operation with this radio, and hopefully it works, we are going to press all the buttons, turn all the knobs, and flick all the switches.
Because you know the drill.
There's a headphone jack in this radio, which is super cool. And here is the DC cable that it does not come with, sadly. So, now let's see what types of batteries these take. Whoa, okay then. Three AA batteries, and look at how this weather radio is put in right here. I think I found this really interesting. Yeah, I've never seen battery compartment like this before. I think I find that really interesting. Thankfully, I got a whole lot of AA batteries with me. Now, let's put this in the order that it says to put it in. This one goes like this. This one goes like this. And this one like this. Now I'm going to close the thing, and I'm going to go ahead and see if it works. Looks like it works somewhat. I believe it came damaged. Look at this. And I believe it's lost its antenna.
Contract is severed.
Yeah, I guess it... anyway, here's the weather radio itself. Not too sure how to set it up with its bad stuff right here, but shoot, how does this belt clip work? Yeah, I think this weather radio is defective because not all the things are displayed here. But yeah, here's the box. Here are the manuals and everything else. I wonder if there's a reset button. But yeah, here is the weather radio for you, which is probably not what I expected. Some things are showing up.
Did it come with the antenna either?
Guess I'll have to try the 6-volt DC cable and see if it plugs in. See that? Ah! I'm gonna have to remove this. See if it fits. Huh. It turned itself off as soon as it plugged it in. Huh. Huh. Guess it doesn't like it when it gets plugged in. I do not know what station this is on, so yeah. But anyway, there is your slightly of a fail unboxing of the Eton ESP2100. The backlight works just fine on this, but I'm not too sure what to say about its reception for the other functions and other things like that, but yeah, I think that's... Whoa! This whole thing just came off. Jeez. Copy, yeah. Yeah, it must have been played with a lot before it was sent into its packaging. So, there you go. That is the unboxing of a defective pineapple made by Eton. I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to these people right here.
Yep. Get them 12.
And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it. I'm back again. Actually, there's also the antenna that came with this, so I put it on. But yeah. Oh yeah, and I figured out this part also came off, so. But yeah. Now that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it. Sorry for the portrait view, by the way.